to have it done. Kuna ila creative organizations ile na positions na ichije kene countrywide nikino trona jicho ngwa ikiranki chone very clearly na toka rankwa namba mugwanja
ahead of even
Kangata no even more than that ugwe ugitoka uga MCA sinko bukaribisha winde nkabwera njoni nkabonekere WhatsApp na all that whereas kulikana no engirwe that alone tells you that you are in the wrong place utikulikana bu no le ribu na no kuranko uranko na ndiuli which governors think the impeached governors I mean there's a problem. It is just a matter of paying the money and you are given the position that you want.
Okay. Mose, how would you term it, Kawira Mwangaza, the impeached governor? Are number 7, the most transformative maybe governors around, ahead of Kangata, maybe ura tukona healthcare we, nidritete thibunene in terms of own source revenue, iba surpassed 1 billion. So maybe no to less, ikriteri or maybe opinion ye kukere Paul sitya maoni ko
angole bona endurance ndi ranking ira ngora tia muno ne ira toranka wa high school ira to area we me athene ira ni area umaira nonto mwarimu atethe na interest lakini kiuri kambu kia wichuri kambere nyambere mbitikia mewi witikio uyana chena evidence na oka question oka mtoro na polster mwana polster who is it to be so feel love thrown pick up with their nini assessment itina kanto kakuona menyawe imwana intina na kuona nyaba maisha yete ya maumo so pollsters baraka na pozire bidachwa itibidacho china India ya kuona ni okurutango iboya chithia china interest either political kako with the PR. You remember mbere kindiki appointed as the deputy governor deputy president sorry ikwa ina post yumirite kaikira waiguru parabange tona nyabange wawara ni interest nyaba kaumira mera it's a political game plan polstera ya oma bwana Endwant nira onioke ya chibitari bengo triti no etokiwa chibitari nira bwire kama muntu bwa wathani buboya bwa thirikari anything else iwi mantu yatina maana muntu anko ya example bwana Endwant and tukuranga bana ari egoji for okolea na tiraya na mandibut na one of the persons zero mandibut ero I think ile ambire area kiandibut kemwe mtu umwe ni asthmatic temo open antiwa uizia is an asthmatic patient aya chibitari ogora trimantina mask ya nebulize nero andi kiandibut modanya lakini utuko chibitari ntena mask ya kwa nebulize ni kianda murura ebindieta a private facility ko ria thirikari ko design na ibon to bora after uketha bana bahati after 18 they need to change puraba kwa bako view na wao prioritize manto ni kwethira urete mandibut ke mwananchi lakini ogoro atina daktari wa mundu miaboya atina ndawa ndene dispensary eri ukwe iyo ni opolsere mbere ubatire kubwithirwa nikenda mwananchi akawa service yamba tere kuona another thing bwana Endwant itukukura muno tai na rea ukure kwetha kwena problem chia waterborne diseases ka mirimo rea na chena mbura oeta town chieto kwena hip cheruko na rea ukura rukoro aro kwanjirinya kwora angichi akinyara nambi so oketha mwananchi na wachwa aeta karebe kore otiri ne bikinyi ningi chumanetie chumete kirukorora ukawato ina chekiu wikinya chibitari otendawa kokoro moikio ko iba uchero iro nambi alafu kerogoro polstar ni urenga bana invest performing. That's the challenge.
Why? Okay. Mbajua tuna 4 minutes ningu and at least we use them well. Governor na ngirwe moriwe nana 4 months down the line no officine. Do you people think uni wambinga officine today ngachokwa ni other means na inkumanyangeta? Do you think nkaritangwe ntungatire babura bokwenda kana ngaitungatira ndeo ni maybe for the time that together and officine? And should there be timeline tia maybe a state officer akagongo officine urabatire kudra kumar?
Yeah, there should be timelines. Now I understand already a law is being made to that effect, within which after one impeached they'll be able to nyaga mpo tukaleta kotini ali bilita kutira. Secondly, with presidency, etc., by the 3-judge bench. Now impeachment, the Senate. At that point then, it means the deputy governor becomes the governor designate, the one in charge. Actually, I think it's Article 182 of the Constitution. Nikuga, the deputy governor is the principal assistant, no locally mandated. So even the 3-judge bench did say that. So, keja kwithira uni ibitrende ngwa assembly. Netrengwa Senate. And of course, in the public, you need to anyway. Then, it follows the area wangi te obisine na wikumba the conservatory orders ukethe ukiritangugia kumuno tiria wananchi ira gwitagu kudita as per the law, and also encourage igiteneri investigating officers, agencies like DCI's office, the EACC na thirikari jora ndoneje goro are headquarters if you more of this non tukataka in the near past yaja.
By the way, kuraingi headquarters for that minute, what was going on?
Is for around an hour. Kuraingi na kuina ngari cia thirikari ngari ijiri cio thirikari. I'm told there was even the county commissioner there. There was the county commander. You got in DCI's office. You got in the EACC. Na watu ikaka ibarumari nyana some computer. Information as that kwe officers balejite kuwata county ni Meru. Bangi by warrant of arrest. Nontu kariko kwa ina warrant of arrest of the CC finance. Nontu mbechira chia bwite kule wale upande rock. That time ile chia appropriated by the assembly. Techo chia nenkanira mudungula choka 14. So called warrant of arrest. Then it was effected all this time.
So it is an allegation?
About the warrant of arrest is not an allegation. That one was there.
Okay.
It is there. But in a warrant of arrest, even of the current county secretary, who was also, summoned and actually moved by the assembly, can be effected by the government. So basically, arrest those people. They disappeared, or one, we are not very sure about it. But it tells you then, kwina kukumania na inyomo no tukenda officers bajukia computer mwitikia aba ije kuingira twikaichiurite kanyuma au some other computers. The question that arises ni kinonto ikora these laptops is maybe because they have the information specifically jane ulire trade na murango yotaunwa na ate ulire murango yotaunwa most likely thing then tukona le possibly ya uraga nonto pale for the big project the area and Department of Agriculture could do bole ya jojo. And this money is from the national and the county government. So if information ye kaura eji kukali stored here, then you tumbo fall and tuba. So what I can say in short is that igiteneri Korea agencies you swing into action, including the Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital. Na inyayingi. Nontu narua ingugi nyingi muno kuonekana mara tati nempempe igwikwa mengawe igwikwa into bikwa supplied lakini literally bitego eto nonto oreo I passing cloud for now, so the most likely thing agaitajiriza zuko tumbecha not working for the people of Meru na nya public to am impeachable.
Thank you, Daktari. Daktari ndendo kwa please 20 seconds. Parting shot. Daktari wetu kurekani. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, my parting shot. Prankera Mumeru ni ati dene department yogi mabomwere twina thina inene muno kembere ibaro mbere wathani buboya nikenda kwetha kwina wathani bukomba kuthikira na buketha bwi ibo bukubuithia action ka bwina mathithio nikenda thina ikomba kuthira boya ili mbere Madam Governor nwe the CEO wa Meru County nwe the in charge na ria tukuona county secretary na CC bate kwenda kuona thina chendene department ikithira no batere kwetha answerable na kimromba amba kwetha karanthe na all stakeholders nikenda amba kuthikanira na nikenda bokomba kusolve thina cha Meru ponge ni mwire chendene Meru County nontorwa tiri ma public service board bate kurutanire ngwina governor utiri me assembly batikuitania ngui na gavana otiro tukomba kwa line policy ile chiku ninya keza kativu ewe yoyongwa turi achore nabo inko muromba gavana omba ukarandi nabo nikenda akathoma nkoro yao bongwa abachukune ame nkoro yao ni unto I know system yonde it is collapsing mbethite ndikuitira gavana munya mbethite ndikuitira kiraito murungi I have never seen a collapsed system yonto ya ikuthai ni bonto every policy ikurema kwa implemented